All right, folks. I gave myself a ridiculous challenge. Make $100 in 24 hours using only AI tools. Because why not let the robots pay the rent for once? I'm armed with zero experience, one brain cell, and way too much caffeine. Let's go. ChatGPT hit me with some options. Sell AI art, write copy for lazy people, or start an online cult. Okay, maybe not that last one. So I picked 3 hustles. AI art, Fiverr gig, and a digital product. All powered by AI. All possibly doomed. I asked Midjourney for a cyber dog and sunglasses, and it delivered Picasso meets Pixar. Uploaded that to Redbubble like the digital art tycoon I pretend to be. Next, I created a Fiverr gig. I will write magical email copy with AI. Sounds professional, right? It's basically, I copy plus paste from ChatGPT with a sprinkle of vibes. Finally, I whipped up a Notion planner using AI, because nothing screams passive income like digital productivity for people who'll never open it. I even used AI to name it, introducing the Get Stuff Done Probably Planner trademark. So did I hit $100? Well, I got a sale on Fiverr for $15. Not a jackpot, but hey, AI and I are officially in business, baby. Total earned, $15. Total learned, AI can help you hustle if you've got the energy, the internet, and low enough expectations. Smash that like if you want me to try $1,000 next. Or let AI choose my next hustle. Seriously, I'll do it.